What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a little bit different because I am on my iPhone, but I figured we would just shoot a quick video. Today we are taking a look at this beautiful 2005 Sea-Ray 290 Amberjack. So this is Sea-Ray's fishing boat. I mean, this is a serious family fishing boat. It's about as close as you're going to get to a comfortable cabin cruiser that can really handle some serious fishing. Just going to walk around, take a look on the outside. It does have twin 350 mag Mer cruisers in it. This boat in particular has about 630 hours at the time of recording. So you can see this boat is really set up for some serious fishing. And once we get on and I start showing you the features, you'll see that it's a great blend between a family cruiser and something you can take offshore, hit the jetties with, do some bay fishing. There's really nothing this boat can't do. A lot of dads out there, this is exactly what you are looking for. All right, let's hop on and start taking a look. All right, so stepping onto the boat, we'll take a look at the transom first. You do have electrical hookup and freshwater hookup under here, as well as a little bit of storage for lines. Anything else you want to put in there. You can see freshwater hookup over there. Transom light, pretty large size swim platform and swim ladder there, as well as a transom shower here. Rinse off after swimming all day, getting in there with the fish. Transom door. You do have rod holders along the gunnels and rocket launcher holders up top, rocket launcher pole holders, you know what I'm trying to say, as well as Garmin GPS radar, GPS antenna, radar antenna. You do have a bimini top that folds down and covers this entire cockpit, so you can get shade and an enclosure. So you can see along the transom here, you do have hooks secure the canvas. And so I'm going to walk forward, take a turn around so I can get a good view of this cockpit. This seat is removable, so you can take it out if you want to do some serious fishing. Obviously that's no problem. You just take that there, leave it in your dock box, leave it at the dock, stash it down below if you want to get some serious fishing done. If not, it's a great place to sit, hang out, and the family will really like that seating arrangement. You have aft face seating here with a little bit of storage underneath, which we'll look at as we move through the boat. Brand new sound system. It is a Clairon, very nice sound system. You have rod holders underneath here, as well as a freshwater faucet there. This flips down and you have battery switches and a breaker panel. Like I said, this does remove, and you have a nice padded transom gunnel for fishing, as well as a big fish box here. Anything you're keeping will fit in there easily and drains. All right, gonna keep turning around. More rod holders, more rod storage, and you do have a raw water hookup there, so you can pump raw water up here when you're not draining your raw water tank, as well as a little bit of storage here. Moving forward, this surface is a cutting board. Lift it up, sink, and here a nice deep live well. Keep your live bait. Like I said, this is Sea-Ray's take on a fishing boat. It's perfect family cruiser, perfect combo for those dads wanting to do some fishing, but their family only wants to cruise. If you know, you know. Anyways, so you do have a hook, not a hookup, you do have a switch here that switches the raw water pump from the bait well to the raw water washdown, which is the one I just showed you. And we're gonna keep moving forward. Forward face seating here for the passenger and under seat storage. Pretty good amount of under seat storage there. There's fit quite a bit down there. Moving up, cup holders, another speaker, fire extinguisher, obviously. And here is the helm. As you can see, brand new electronics. All of the gauges are in great condition. You can read all of them easily. Dashboard is in great shape. You can read all the switches. None of it has scratched off to where you can't read it. If you've looked at these old Sea-Rays, you know what I'm talking about. Brand new GPS, dual screen. Both of them have the same information, but you can set it up to where you're looking at something over here, got something else. Radar over here, depth finder over here, you know, get creative. And obviously your throttles, shifters. I like that he's got them labeled. You'd be surprised how many people buy boats and don't know the difference. I don't know what they're looking at in general. another speaker here. Like I said, brand new sound system. Wait till you see the faceplate on this thing. Under seat storage, which he has a nice subwoofer. If you know what size that is, leave a comment down below because I am not a speaker guy. Anyways, that's going to do it for the cockpit and helm. Let's head down and take a look inside the cabin. And as we're heading down, you do have an electric window here that lifts up, let some air breeze through here as you're cruising on by. And obviously all of this canvas can be removed if you want to open this up and let some air in. It is 90 degrees outside again, so it's hot. All right, moving down into the cabin. This is the head. We will end with the head in terms of the cabin tour. The very last thing we'll look at is up front on the bow. All right, moving into the galley, we have a microwave, little bit of storage behind here. He's running his dehumidifier so he doesn't have to run his AC. Underneath that is an electric burner. It is a single burner. Mini fridge, under sink storage, and a pretty deep sink with plenty of counter space. That is a ton of counter space. You have your plugs there, paper towel holder, obviously, and more cabinetry. Just enough for a nice weekender. Maybe you want to do a night or two, an overnight fishing trip. You're out at the jetties, find a nice secure place to anchor up, and you and the boys want to get a quick fishing trip in. This is the boat to do it. It's a great combo boat. Great family boat, great fishing boat. Obviously, forward V berth, pretty large bed. I don't know what size. As you can tell, it's not a regular size. You need a custom mattress for it. But you do have windows on each side and a mirror. Hello, I don't know if you can tell, but it's hot, sweaty. Skylight here with dual blinds, blackout curtain, as well as a screen if you want to have it open, get some air flowing through here so you don't have to run the generator. This boat does have a generator, it does have AC. Anyways, a standing locker where you can hang some shirts, hang some clothes up if you need to, hang those nice stuff, those nice clothing items, and a little bit of under bed storage. Your AC unit is forward underneath the mattress. However, I'm not going to lift that up. Another panel here. This is your main panel, speaker controls, and the panel. Don't need to go through it. You know what it is by this point. You should. If this is your first video here, please consider subscribing. The channel is taking off. I really appreciate all the support. Anyways, another porthole here. I'm going to continue through. This is a DVD player for the TV. Obviously, you can take that out if you want. Most people are streaming these days. AC controls, which the AC is off currently. And your TV here, plenty of room to upgrade the TV size if you want. You do have a nice dinette with single seats on each side. This does drop down, and this cushion right here pulls off and goes on top of the table, so you can turn this into an extra berthing, fit some more people in here. And a little bit of an aft cabin. You can probably fit one small child in here. Well, two small children, one small adult. But he uses it as storage, as you can see. Or if you just want a place to sit down, hang out, relax, there it is. A little bit of under seat storage here at the dinette. As you can see, it's actually pretty deep. Can fit quite a bit of stuff in there, as well as on the other side. All right, let's take a look at the head. Here is the head. It is a wet head with a vacuum flush toilet, so it's not a porta potty, which is nice. It does have a holding tank that can be pumped out. Under sink storage, porthole window, place to keep your toiletries. This comes up. Oh, it's on. Hangs here, and you can take a nice shower and look at yourself while you're showering. Hello. All right, so that is going to do it for inside the cabin. Let's head up to the bow, show you the features on the bow, and then we'll wrap this video up. Like I said, I did not have all my equipment for this week's video, but I still wanted to put something out. Hopefully the video came out all right on the iPhone. Let me know down below what you think. If it's an upgrade, if you didn't notice, if it's a downgrade, let me know. Let's go take a look at the bow. As you can see, it's hot out here. All right, walking out to the bow of the boat and going to take a quick look. As you can see, plenty of room for bow pads. Put a few people up here, have some drinks, relax, enjoy the water. There is your V-berth hatch. You can open it up, enjoy the nice breeze, do some stargazing as you're anchored out, getting ready to catch those fish the next morning. You do have an electric windlass with foot switches here, anchor locker there, and your electronic controllable spotlight. That's the word I was looking for, your controllable spotlight. And we'll pan around, do a quick pan up. As you can see, lots of room up here. This 29-foot Searay 290 Amberjack. Please consider subscribing. The channel is doing absolutely fantastic. I thank all of you for subscribing. Everyone means everything to me. So with all of that being said, I will see y'all in the next one. Thank you for watching, and that'll do it.